and today I'm just gonna get this one. Okay, now that you can see that, I didn't really do it in the last video, but in this video, in the last video I made a song. And you guys do know I am making more videos, which is interesting. I am making more videos. So basically, this video might be a long one because I'm building a garage door. Might be like 18 or 19 minutes. I honestly don't know. I will know at the end of the video. You guys will know way before that. You guys will know as soon as you start it up. Well, not necessarily, but whatever. Let me just find the world. It's so weird. I was just in it later. I think it's very creative. I think it's this one. Oh, yeah, it's this one. Can't really see that too well. But basically, here's a garage. I'm gonna do a big open version. So you just open it and close it. And that's actually really easy. So the blocks are gonna need block of choice. Today I'm using that diamond. Need that, and that. So after you found the place you wanted to build it, I'm gonna build it kind of away from there because I'm gonna be building a lot of stuff. You just wanna, well, here's the main part. You put those down, and as soon as you put them down, you wanna just, basically you only have to do this twice. So this would be the lever. If it goes up, you're already doing it right. So mine's gonna be like completely exposed. So then you have to go up like a certain height though. Like, just the rule. After you go up, like, as high as you see me, as high as I am right now, you do this. Here. I want you to put 3 right here. Oh, you gotta go. Sorry about that, guys. One more up. Now you can do it. Sorry, but trust me, the video, it's been 4 minutes. There's no way it's gonna take as long as I thought in the first place. So you wanna, yeah, just hit 3. 1, 2, 3. The block of choice, the block you chose. To pull the lever and close it. Close this once you unpull it. You're basically done. Although you can kind of cover this up. Again, if you missed it, This is my first build in this like whole thing. Although, alright. Well, this is just a bonus feature. You don't have to add it. But I choose, I'm not you guys, but I say you should do it. Like if you want to open and close it. Like if you're already inside, you don't want to, you gotta close it. So you just do what you saw me do right there. But the thing is, whenever you like close it from this side, oh wait, I know. So let's say you just opened it from there. You can't close it from here. But from here, you can open and close. Now, if you guys have ever heard of Flappy Smash, have a friend join your world. I'm just gonna use it as a horse. Now, the only reason I'm like showing you guys all this stuff is because I want to like make. I want to like make the make like a little like try something in this world. Hope you don't mind if I try anything. So basically you want to spawn your donkey. Well, usually your friend would be there and he would try to get out, and if you get your friend, you would just leave him. But if he gets out, then you gotta stop doing it. So, like, what? A mule is a donkey. Just kill it. Except big, so horse. Except a calf donkey. Anyways, so what you also want to grab is a saddle. Okay, the video's only been 7 minutes. And it's definitely, this video is definitely not going to be like 19 or 20. I was just going crazy. And grab diamond horse armor. So you can go ahead and just tame the donkey. And I'm just trying something. You guys don't have to do this. But I am. Oh. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this little tip. And stay tuned for the next video.